If we're serious about transforming land ownership in South Africa, then the Constitution needs to stop treating redistribution as a side note and start defining it as a constitutional obligation. The phrase public interest under Section 25 should be rewritten to explicitly include equitable land redistribution, not just economic development or general welfare. That single clarification would give legal weight to justice itself, acknowledging that repairing the legacy of dispossession is as much in the public interest as any infrastructure project or private investment. The current wording treats expropriation as an exception. What's needed is a framework that normalizes it under specific, transparent conditions. This doesn't mean that the state should have unchecked power. It means the state should have clear authority when history demands intervention. Right now, property rights are protected near absolute terms, while the right to redress exists mostly in principle. A constitutional recalibration would bring those two principles into alignment, allowing equity to coexist with ownership rather than be permanently subordinated to it. Such an amendment would need to set out measurable standards. When and how expropriation without full compensation can occur, what categories of land qualify, how compensation is calculated, and what oversight mechanisms prevent misuse. This isn't about weakening property rights, it's about defining them more honestly. Property that was originally acquired through state violence or systemic exclusion cannot be treated as morally identical to property earned through legitimate exchange. To protect both justice and stability, the courts should be guided by an updated constitutional mandate that balances historical context with present needs. In practice, that would mean faster, clearer adjudication instead of years of interpretive uncertainty. The goal is not chaos or confiscation. No, it is to replace the inertia of ambiguity with a deliberate, lawful path toward equity. By giving land reform a firm constitutional backbone, South Africa could finally move from apology to action.